There is 1 hour every single week. 1 hour that Allah Himself has honored. 1 hour in which a broken heart can be healed, a locked door can open, and a destiny can change forever. And the painful truth is this: most people let it pass without even realizing what they missed. My dear brothers and sisters, this is not an exaggeration. This is a promise from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A promise about Jummah, a promise about dua, and a promise that could change your life if you don't ignore it. Jummah is not just another Friday on the calendar. It is the master of days. It is the day Adam, may Allah be pleased with him, was created, the day he entered Jannah, and the day he was sent to earth. It is a day Allah chose above all other days of the week. Yet many of us treat it like a routine. We pray, we listen, we leave, and we forget. But Jummah is a divine appointment. Allah calls you to stop your work, stop your worries, stop chasing the world, and come back to Him. This day carries Barakah even for the one who is struggling silently, even for the one who feels distant, even for the one who thinks their dua is too broken to be answered. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace and blessings be upon him, told us that on Jummah there is one special hour. If a servant asks Allah for anything good during this hour, Allah will grant it. Think about that. Not maybe, not if you are perfect, but if a servant asks. Your dua doesn't need fancy words. It doesn't need long. It needs sincerity. Some scholars say this hour is between Asr and Maghrib. Others say it is when the Imam sits until the prayer ends. But the wisdom is clear. Stay connected to Allah throughout Jummah, especially near the end of the day. Many people say, I made dua, but nothing happened. My dear brother, my dear sister, sometimes Allah delays not because He is rejecting you, but because He is protecting you. Sometimes He replaces what you asked for with something better, and sometimes He saves your dua for a moment when you need it the most. Jummah teaches us patience. It teaches us trust. It teaches us that Allah is listening, even when the answer hasn't arrived yet. A whisper on Jummah can outweigh years of struggle. A silent tear during that blessed hour can erase sins. A simple Ya Allah can change the direction of your life. Never underestimate a small dua made with a sincere heart, especially on Jummah. The strongest duas come from prepared hearts. Come to Jummah early. Make wudu calmly. Sit quietly. Send abundant salawat upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Peace and blessings be upon him. Empty your heart before you ask Allah to fill it. When your heart is present, your dua carries weight. Do not ask Allah like someone who doubts. Ask Him like someone who knows He can do anything. Say, Ya Allah, I don't know how, but I trust you. That trust is worship. And remember, Allah loves to hear your voice, even if you repeat the same dua every Jummah. Many people struggle to connect because they don't understand what they recite. This is where tools like a Quran reading pen become a blessing. It helps you hear the Quran properly, understand its meaning, and build a deeper relationship with Allah's words, especially on Jummah. When the Quran lives in your heart, your duas become stronger. On Jummah, always ask for forgiveness, guidance, protection, a good ending, because success is not in this world alone. It's in standing before Allah with a clean heart. Not every answered dua comes with fireworks. Sometimes Allah changes your heart before He changes your situation. Sometimes peace enters your chest before relief enters your life. That is also an answer. You may smile on the outside, but Allah knows the weight you carry inside. On Jummah, you are not alone. Your pain is heard. Your dua is recorded. Your tears are counted. The people who see miracles are not always the loudest. They are the most consistent. Make Jummah your weekly reset, your weekly return, your weekly conversation with Allah. 1 hour, once a week, a lifetime of impact. Do not let this Jummah pass like the ones before, because this 1 hour on Jummah can change everything if you don't miss it.